Good evening, everyone. Hi, guys. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. The third and last puzzle, not in today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 13th, 2023. Yes, it's actually today, the 13th of July. And I've told you earlier, we have no extra puzzles, only one medium regular puzzle. And so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Wednesday edition yesterday. Yes, Wednesday, July the 12th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. It's the Tectonic with 1 star. And this will be a number 6749. Yeah. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 19 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. And this one has 19. It's indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box. Single box is always a 1. Here 1, there 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, let me check. I see here only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. The 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright, only one dual box. Triple boxes then. This is the next question. Do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? I see here only one triple box. Contains the 1 and the 2 and the 3. Well, this box can be a 3. So 1 box there for the 3 should be there. And 1 box in this triple box should be a 1. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Alright, only one triple box. Do we have here quadra boxes? I see here only one quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, those numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a quadra box in an L shape, this is an L shape rotated, the inside box is always 4, no, always a 5. Always a 5, not a 4 or 5. We have a 4 here. No, can be only a 5. Alright. Then, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. Next. Okay, next to the same shape. Yeah. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Yeah, the same shape, figure, structure, or construction. That means that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Right. Here another one. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape, the L shape? Let me draw the L shape there. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. So this box has the same name as that box. Here another L shape, but has the same numbers. Do we have more L shapes? No. L shape with 5 boxes, not with 4 boxes. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 or a 5. Here, this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, but mirrored. This box, oh, this box has the same number as that box. Well, we have a 4 here, so it should be a 4. All those numbers, it's connected with each other. So it's a 4 here. All right, do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. And the last shape that we have in this puzzle, the T shape, upside down. The T shape, upside down. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright, so that box has the same number as this box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for 1 should be there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 2, 1 and 2 here. Also 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, let me mark those. Alright. These two boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. Well, we have a double 2 there. I cannot place the 2 here. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area from us, 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place a 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 and a 5. Apologies. 2 and a 5. Well, here can be a 2. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes down. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, okay. Now we have a 2 here. I've marked those two boxes with 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Alright. This box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5. 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 4. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, and these two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, okay. This box can be a 1. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Now we have 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 5. Okay. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a 2 over here. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra L shape should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra L shape for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright, and now we go down to here. Let me see, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 3. Well, this box can be a 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well. We solve it again, faster than 50 minutes. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Last working day of the week, Friday. Yeah, so have a great and fantastic Thursday. See you tomorrow. Until then, bye-bye for now.